Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I want to talk about a very important subject, the success rate of your trading strategies. Now, here is a very important thing. Many clients contact me to ask me this very question. Vlad, how can you make money with a 70% success rate strategy, or where to get a 90% success strategy, or how can we have a not losing trading strategy? Okay, and on the other hand, the advanced trader understand that they can make money with only 40% success rate. So success rate by itself, by the definition, is a very misleading thing. I want to discuss about that very thing, and also to show you how a trading strategy with 70 success rate looks like. Okay, done by, not by myself, done by one of my students, member in Traders Academy Club. So let's begin. But before I dig deep in the subject, if you are new to our channel, first of all, welcome to our great community. Please subscribe to the channel, follow the subscribe button below this video. Remember to enable the notification. And also I would like to invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club. You can find the link below in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. Learn all my techniques there and learn basically all the things that my students do, and one of them you would see here in this very video. And also a little request for a help from you. If you find this video helpful and other videos help in your trading, please hit the like button. YouTube algorithm needs these little things, little features, so please hit the like button, leave your feedback in the comment section, and your help is very much appreciated. So let's dig into the numbers. So I want to present you one of my students in a Traders Academy Club, and to be very transparent, I was also working one-on-one mentoring program with him. So this guy is, from my point of view, besides being a great friend of mine and like a brother to me nowadays after all these years, I think he is one of the most talented guys I ever met, and honestly I'm very honored I had the chance to mentor him and to bring him to this level. But it doesn't matter how good am I as a mentor without him putting all the effort and all the work and polishing his techniques every single week, every single day. Nothing would happen. Okay, I'm not the one that takes the talent and turn it into success. It's in his hands, and it's also in your hands. And I want you always to remember that. Doesn't matter what you do and how you do, it's in your hands to work hard, to find a way, and to make things happen. Okay, it's great to have people around you that will push you to this level. It's great to have a mentor near you to push you to your very best, to guide you on the right path, how to walk on the right path. But the most important thing, it's you. Without your effort, without your dedication, nothing will happen. So I want to show you, his name is Etienne, and here is one of his techniques. I will show you also another one. Okay, and here is a 70%, around close to 70% success rate. That's how it looks like. Okay, so what he does, it's a scalping strategy. Okay, attacking specific levels that based on the techniques we are working with. Okay, and basically very straightforward, as you can see. Everything has to be track recorded and put in front of a very simple, you can see lines here, right? In order to make it simple and so you will be able to learn from your actions. Okay, and here is the detail. So take it, okay, put it in track recording in order to be able to go back and learn and polish. Okay, that's one of his trades we were talking about. Doesn't matter, it's in our chat. Just wanted to show you the numbers he is producing. Okay, he finds a level based on the techniques we are working with, and once it's there, he is attacking it. Okay, the idea is to scalp, to take the profits. That's one of the techniques. Now here is another one. Okay, so here is an example that's from other techniques with the cycle and divergences, all my techniques I'm using. Look at that. Look how detailed. Everything is written down. Everything is written down and broken into numbers. Everything. The entry, the cycles, the reasons, everything, including the setup and the management. Everything has to be track recorded. And when it is, it's easy then to have a clear follow-up. Here's all the journey. All the journey. Boom. Okay? With all the ups, with all the downs, and there is always downs on the way. You see? There are always periods, and it happens to everybody in trading. So why do I show you that? Not to show how great students I have, and not to show you how great mentor I am, but I want you to understand what is the whole thing of 70% or more success rate is all about. And that's what I want to explain. This is a myth and could be very misleading. So let's talk about it. I'll go for a wide screen, okay, so don't get scared of what's going on. And I want to show you something. Success rate, okay, let's put it here. Success rate. Sorry for my writing, but the idea here is not only the writing, right? That's what it represents. So let's talk about success rate of 90%. Now I want you to understand how misleading could that be. 90% sounds like you are going to print money. Is it? Myth. Wrong. And here is why. So let's talk about the pluses and the minuses. Let's say every single time you make profits, you scalp 10 pips. Okay? So 90% success rate out of 10 trades, you would have what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 3, 6, 9. Yeah. So you'll have 90 pips. And that's scalping. It could be during the day or during the week. But without proper management and risk management, and that's what most traders do. That's what most traders do. They simply enter a trade, trying to scalp, and having no clue what will be their risk management, the exposure management. And that's ridiculous, because if one trade would cause you only 100 pips loss, if you don't protect it, then you would end up 90 pips, and here you would end up minus 100. You would end up with 90% success rate. You would end up with minus 10 pips. And if you don't protect yourself at all and don't have, I'm not talking about stop loss necessarily, even though it's important, okay? I'm talking about exit plan, having a clear exit plan. What should happen on the market to take you out of the trade? That's it. And that's, you see how misleading it is? 90% success rate. Okay, and losing money. So don't fall into this trap and crap, sorry for the word, of success rate by itself. It means nothing if there is no real risk management. Okay, and alternatively, let's talk about it, this one, success rate with 40% success rate. Okay, and here is what I want you to understand. Let's say on your pluses, okay, that means 4 winners, 6 losses out of 10 trades, right? Correct? 4 plus 6 is 10. So here you go. Very, very simple. Look at that. When you do plus, you are doing, let's talk about percentages, for example. You are doing 2%, okay? And then minus 1%, minus 1%, minus 1%, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay? What do you got? Minus 6. Why 6? 6 losses. Okay? And you are risking 1% for every trade. Okay? When you are making money, and let's say with a good risk reward of 1 to 2, meaning you are risking 1%, that's risk, and reward. And you are looking to get rewarded at least 2%. Okay? For example, so in that numbers, look what happens. You are plus 8%, minus 6%, you are in total of plus 2%. With only 40% success rate. So, what is better? To trade with 40% success rate or 90% success? It means nothing. The success rate by itself means nothing unless you know the full story. And the full story is this: your risk management. Okay? When you can access to the data, when you can access the data and you can see what are the risks per trade and what is your average profit taken and done. So how to know your risk reward? Very, very, very simple. What you have to do is, this is again my guy Etienne, the member I was talking about, right? The student of mine. And here it goes. Take a look. That's your statement. Once you are trading, this is just for example, of course. Okay, on the statements you have, go and check here the average profit rate, average loss rate. As you can see, the average here stands for what? Okay, the average here, let's just erase that, stands for above 9 for profit, around 9 for loss, meaning somewhere around 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, why is it important? With 1-to-1 risk reward, you need to make more than 50% success rate to make money, right? As I showed you in the example before, with 40% success rate, you can make money with like 1-to-2 risk reward, and you will make great money. Okay, and you can lose money with 90% success rate if you have no proper risk management, if you have no strict exit plan. Okay, and things can happen on the market. Things can happen on the market without you even imagining surprising moves. And if you have no clean exit plan, you would end up losing. All this belief and myth of I can make money every single day, 10-20 pips without managing the risk. I'm sorry for that, but this is a complete BS. That's a myth. That's a big lie. And traders believe that. So I record this video to try and to open your eyes to reality. Success rate without proper risk management means nothing. And I really suggest you, I wanted to give you this example of one of my members and a student of mine in private mentoring. I want you to know and I want you to remember every single time. Track record every single step. As annoying as it is, as hard as it is, as challenging as it is, find the time, 10, 15 minutes, a day or a week, depends on your activity, put the numbers. You can always go back to that and you can always learn. And then you can see your progress, how it looks like and how does it go, and learn from that and improve. Always work to polish, to understand the reason, to find your why things happen and become better. Okay, so here we go. Once again, put all the numbers from all your trades, sum up, put it together, go back, find how to polish, always work on that. And I bring you Etienne for example because that's what he does every single week, polishing, finding why things work, why things fail, and to become better. And this is one of the beasts this market is going to know. Okay, so that's what you want to do, and that's why I wanted to bring you a real example. I don't want to impress you how great mentor I am or what sort of fantastic members I have. No, I want you to become your best and do your best and wake up from the myth, what's called success rate. Okay, I showed you can make money with 40%. I showed you how you can make money with 50% right here in front of Etienne. Okay, and I showed you how you can lose money with 90% success rate. So this success rate is a myth unless there is a proper risk management plan. Okay, my friends? So that's pretty much it. I want to invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club, learn all these techniques and give yourself the chance to do the same like Etienne. Okay, I hope to see you with us. I hope this video opens your eyes to the real story of the success rate. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, I'm here for you. Leave it on the comment section and I'll answer as soon as possible. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Etienne, if you see this video, brother, let everybody know your story in the comment section. Share a little bit. Hopefully your story would be a great motivation and a great help to others to learn and to do the same, and maybe, who knows, become even better than you.